Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to add shortcuts to Brave browser. So to do this process, first thing is open up the Brave browser. And now once you are here guys, if you open up another tab, as you can see, you will have a shortcut over here and you will have an option to add a site and you could provide your URL over here and automatically it will be redirected to that link once you click it over here. So you could utilize this feature to have a shortcut, or if you don't have the add site, you could go for the gear icon on the top right over here and you will have top sites and make sure to select favorites because as you can see guys, when I go for frequently visited, we cannot add anything over here. So make sure to go for favorites. And another option that you could consider is simply go into the specific website that you want. And you could go for the bookmark over here, this icon, and select done. And automatically, if you want a shortcut web, you could go for this one and it will be directed there. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.